Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making a Spanish dessert, flan. It is very delicious in taste and easy to make. First we will caramelize 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon water on low flame. Then make a mixture of 1 can of condensed milk weighing 397 grams, evaporated milk 147 ml, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, large eggs 4. Let's caramelize sugar, then fill our ramekins and bake them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added sugar and 1 tablespoon of water in a pan and cooking it on very low flame. It will take 10 minutes to caramelize and turn into a beautiful color. MashaAllah, mix it and pour in ramekins, otherwise it will start to set in pan. Then start making mixture of flan with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Preheat oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then add condensed milk in a bowl. Also add evaporated milk. Four eggs. And vanilla essence. Mix them with a whisk for 3 minutes. You can use blender to mix them. It will also take 3 minutes. Let's strain it now to remove any bits of egg whites from it. Set ramekins in a deep pan and fill them with mixture. Then pour warm water in pan. It should be filled up to 3/4 of ramekins and it should not touch the edges of ramekins. Seal the baking tray with aluminum foil and bake them for 45 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. If you don't have the big pan, you can use 2 small pans to set the ramekins. So let's bake them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MashaAllah, they are baked beautifully. After 45 minutes, take them out of the pan and make them cool down for 30 minutes at room temperature. Then keep them in fridge for 2 hours to make them chilled and set, inshaAllah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me show you how to take it out of the ramekin. Make a knife wet and use it to separate flan from ramekin by sliding it inside the ramekin. Make it wet and slide it so flan can leave the ramekin. I kept it for overnight in fridge and flan is very firm, mashallah. Now upside down the ramekin and let the flan leave the ramekin. Tap it with back of knife. See how lovely flan is, mashallah. Let's enjoy it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. So delicious caramelized Spanish flan is ready. Enjoy it and share recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.